Dada Sham. Wish everyone a warm and pleasant morning.
The children of today are the builders of a brave, new world, a world without want. Thriving on these words of our revered Dada J.P. Vaswani, I, Armeet Kaur Bajaj, extend a hearty welcome to the magnanimous members of the School Management Committee, whose vision and direction has shaped many ideas into reality. The school principal, school vice principal, headmistress, valued parents, teachers, and my dear friends, to behold the 103rd birth anniversary celebration of our beloved Dada J.P. Vaswani. The joy each one of us feels today is unmatched. Our hearts glow with the light of love Dada had kindled. The school has always put in its earnest efforts to adopt the teachings of Dadaji to cultivate compassion in its transformative pedagogical domain, so that our learners are ready to take compassionate actions while participating in the global goals. I would like to take this opportunity to invite the one who, with her path-breaking ideas, innovative approach, and continuous support, has influenced many success stories. She has made an indelible mark on our minds by inspiring us to practice compassion. I request the school principal, Ms. Santosh Vyas, to welcome the august gathering.
Dada Sham, it's often said that we win by tenderness, we conquer by forgiveness. In the pages of the history of humanity, revered Dada J.P. Vaswani has scripted the ways in which we may conquer ourselves and the hearts of others. His Holiness the Dalai Lama has portrayed Dada J.P. Vaswani as the epitome of Dhamma, an example of how the spirit and practice of our ancient traditions can be purely maintained, even amidst the changes and challenges of this modern age. Dadaji said, "When someone hurts us, we should write it down on sand, where winds of forgiveness can erase it away." Happy morning, everyone. Let the bright morning sun hide the dark dredges of yesterday. On behalf of SVISG family, I extend a warm welcome to the magnanimous School Management Committee, whose style has always been to lead by example, illustrious guests, valued parents, and dear children. My sincerest thanks for joining us virtually in celebrating our beloved Dadaji's 103rd birth anniversary. Dear children, we are blessed to be part of an institution which is blessed by an unparalleled visionary Dada J.P. Vaswani, whose legacy of kindness continues to protect us. On the auspicious occasion, like every other year, the school embarked on a month-long celebration which included many activities woven around the message of love and treating the world as one family. Because we believe that only love and compassion can restore the world to life and give it new hope. The activities were designed in such a way so as to carve our young learners into compassionate global citizens. The month-long celebration was titled, "Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself." The message of forgiveness and empathy prominently underline the online activities designed to supplement the compassionate classroom promoted here at SVISG. Children, you did not let the virtual classroom restrict your creative vision. Rather, you used technology to your advantage. The digital Karuna cover page, birthday cards, forgiveness bands, and all the other activities witnessed an overwhelming participation. My moment of calm, divine dive-in, doodle to happiness, all these WhatsApp groups are brimming with teacher, student, and parents participants from SVISG seeking to create a meaningful and fulfilling life. Our girls have also animatedly participated in the t-shirt designing competition organized by SVISG Sanpada on Dadaji's birthday. I congratulate the teachers and students for their earnest participation in the month-long celebration, which shows how ready we are to discard the burden of pride, anger, resentment, and embrace God's love. The prayer of a pure heart never goes in vain. Reminding myself and everyone present here once again of Dadaji's firm faith in the power of prayers, I too take your leave with a sincere prayer for a healthy and happy tomorrow. Dadasha. We are deeply honored to have a visionary amongst us today, whose distinguished work in numerous capacities speaks for itself. A man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of ideas, Sir Vijay Thadani is the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of NIIT Limited, a leading global skills and talent development corporation. He is distinguished alumnus of the premier Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, whose wisdom and leadership has set in motion the school's splendid and dynamic performance. Sir, it's always a privilege to hear your sagacious words. We welcome you.
My dear students and teachers, I feel honored and humbled to be invited to speak on the occasion of Dadaji's 103rd birthday celebrations. This is an occasion to continue to derive inspiration from our revered Dadaji's teachings. I have been personally greatly inspired by all of his wise words, but there is one quote in particular that I have put into practice recently with immense benefit. And I quote, "Every day I must try to do something I think I cannot do." Unquote. I notice this gives me immense strength as I start my day to face the unknowns which I will face during the day. While Dadaji's teachings are timeless and universally applicable, they have been particularly helpful in these difficult times of the pandemic. Those skills such as critical and analytical thinking and problem-solving abilities are needed to handle any crisis. In the current pandemic, it was in addition to that empathy, a selfless desire to help others, a feeling of oneness with people across the world, and a resilient attitude. All these put together drove the inventions and innovations that have helped the world overcome the worst phase of this pandemic. And all these we find in Dadaji's far-seeing teachings, as if he's with us and in real time is guiding us. The new way of living, constrained by physical distancing and remote learning, and driven by digital technologies, has brought out the importance of social and emotional skills. Dada Vaswani's model of new education provides the framework to cultivate the right qualities and attitude. Let me share those with you. Resting on the 5 principles of character building and actively developing qualities. 1. Self-discipline. 2. Authenticity and fairness. 3. Seva, an attitude of giving. 4. Love of Indian ideals, revisiting our ancient values with fresh minds. And reverence for all life, seeing the connectedness of all things, can help us progress further in the life with greater confidence. Add to this the cultivation of the soul, consciously practicing qualities such as forgiveness, compassion, and equanimity. Dadaji's teachings tell us precisely how to connect with our fellow humans and nature. Interestingly, all that I shared just now is part of the new education policy which the Government of India is unveiling as we speak. Let me give you his back present before you give him a present. And that's about attitude. A correct attitude will go a long way to help you handle your life situations. I would like to quote Dadaji again on attitude. I quote, "A right attitude is a correct one, a constructive one, a friendly one, a cheerful one, a positive one. In these times of uncertainty, a positive attitude will be your constant friend and best friend as you go on this journey." So let's continue to be inspired by Dadaji's teachings and allow them to enrich our life. If we try to implement one teaching every day, we will soon realize that we are able to lead a better life. And that, incidentally, could be your gift to Dadaji on the 103rd birthday. Wishing you the very best, Dada Shyam.
Thank you, sir, for being our beacon of motivation, always believing in our competence and help us achieve the optimum potentiality. Dear teachers, parents, students, and everyone present, allow the gentle words of Dadaji to take us on a quest for true happiness as we attempt to silence the struggles within.
Meditation on forgiveness. The meditation begins. Sit in a comfortable posture. Let your hands rest loosely in your lap. Close your eyes and relax. Relax your body. Relax your muscles. Relax your limbs. Take a long, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and then slowly exhale. Take another deep breath in and exhale completely. Now tighten your hands into fists. Clench your fists really firm. Feel the tension in your hands and arms. Hold tighter, 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 and relax. Let go, allowing your hands and arms to be relaxed and loose. You feel so relieved. Remember, it was your own choice. You were the one clenching your fist. Similarly, you are the one holding on to your grudges and resentments. Choose to let go and be free. think of the people for whom you are holding a grudge in your heart. Call them by name and say, Mr. XYZ, Mrs. XYZ, Miss XYZ, I forgive you, I forgive you, I forgive you. Mr. ABC, Miss ABC, I forgive you, I forgive you, I forgive you. You feel so calm and peaceful. Now let us say a prayer. Dear God, help me cast away all resentments and grudges. Help me release the burden that I have been holding. Help me to let go and be free. I forgive all. I love all. I forgive all. I love all. I forgive all. I love all. And now must come the final benediction. May all without exception be free from disease, free from ignorance, free from sorrow. As you get up from this meditation, many of you will feel that you yourselves are happy, full of peace and bliss. Now let us rub the palms of our hands together, place them gently on the eyelids, and gently, very, very gently open the eyes. The meditation ends. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
बस एहो अरदास गुरु जी. Dear Dadaji, please accept our deepest gratitude for helping us live life beyond the ordinary, possess a heart full of kindness, and be ever present in the service of humankind.
बसे हो अरदास गुरु जी, बसे हो अरदास, बसे हो अरदास गुरु जी, बसे हो अरदास. दूर करी ना चरना कोनो, दूर करी ना चरना कोनो, रखी हरदम पास. बसे हो अरदास गुरु जी, बसे हो अरदास, बसे हो अरदास गुरु जी, बसे हो अरदास. गुण अवगुण ना वेख हसा दे, वेख ना दोष तो कोई, बस वड्याई वेख तू अपनी, तुझ पे जचे है सोई. गुण अवगुण ना वेख हसाने, वेख ना दोष तो कोई, बस वड्याई वेख तू अपनी, तुझ पे जचे है सोई. तू दाता मैं दास हाँ तेरा, तू दाता मैं दास हाँ तेरा, तू अमृत मैं प्यास. बसे हो अरदास गुरु जी, बसे हो अरदास, बसे हो अरदास गुरु जी, बसे हो अरदास. सेवा करिए सिमरन करिए सत्संग दे विच आके, भुल जाइए सारी दुनिया नू ध्यान तेरा इकला के सेवा करिए सिमरन करिए सतसंग दे विच आके भुल जाइए सारी दुनिया ध्यान तेरा इकला के होर नहीं कुछ मंगना तेथों होर नहीं कुछ मंगना तेथों कर दे पूरी आस बस हो अरदास गुरु जी बस हो अरदास.
Moving on, I would like to invite the school head girl, Rishika Manav, to present the report on the month-long celebration of Dadaji's birthday.
Dada Sham, month-long report 2021. Online forgiveness pledge forms were released. Students, teachers and parents were encouraged to fill the form. The link to the pledge form was sent to the various schools which were filled by the teachers and students supporting the cause of making the world a much better place by healing it with patience and tolerance. The sports department and students of the school took a step forward to organize a virtual meet to encourage other schools to participate in the moment of calm and absorb the wonderful elixir of life called forgiveness. Teachers from 15 schools across Delhi participated in the event. The students of SVISG presented PPTs and spoke at length about the importance of forgiveness. They also shared the procedure of filling the online pledge form on the school website. The audience was impressed by the thought-provoking presentation and appreciated the students for endorsing such noble values which our institution upholds as supreme. A yoga session was organized for the students of classes 3rd to 12th to help them direct their thought process towards the manifestation of positive emotions and purge their consciousness of all sorrows and troubles that hold them back from harnessing their full potential towards realizing a more confident self pledged to the service of others. The school nurse organized an online workshop for the students of Sankalp about common health problems and helped them acquire the importance of nurturing and loving the self because it is believed that the body is the dwelling of God and we must take care of it. The audience was shown a presentation which showcased the importance of eating a balanced diet and building a hygienic and healthy lifestyle during the pandemic. The gamut of human health is dependent on nourishment, exercise, sleep and positive thinking. Yoga goes a long way in building immunity, relaxing the body and mind and leading to faster healing post-COVID. Keeping this in mind, a stress management yoga session for teachers was conducted by Ms. Ocean Satija, an alumna and at present a successful health and wellness coach. Forgiveness is a wonderful process but cannot be forced. It requires one to revisit every hurt over and over again so that they can be forgiven and forgotten. Aligning ourselves with this thought, a skill sharing craft session was organized for the students of classes 9 to 12. They learned the technique of making 3D tissue flowers, a bouquet of 3D flowers, figurines with recycled newspaper, dana pani for our bird friends, utility paper bag, forgiveness pledge wall hanging, forgiveness message cup, colored tissue paper basket, lampshade with recycled paper, pen stands, bookmarks, waste tissue paper flowers and the wool basket. The objective was to drive home that whatever we do to save paper will help reduce the amount of trash going into landfills. The students actively participated and learned the joy of forgiving. The young ones designed beautiful hearts for their beloved Dadaji as they promised to keep the flame of love shining bright in their hearts. The beautiful month witnessed spiritually awakened citizens writing and sharing messages of forgiveness with each other, which purged their consciousness of all repressed negative feelings. A short film directed by the Media and Animation Club was shared with the teachers and students of the school to promote positive thinking and disseminate the ethos of forgiveness that Dadaji strongly advocated. The story, based on the friendship of two boys, highlighted a beautiful message. Don't let anything undermine the essence of forgiveness. The later part of the video reiterated that we need to forgive even when the circumstances are extremely difficult. The stories left the students with mixed feelings of happiness and sadness. At the same time, the message empowered them to make the right decisions. The The inter-house digital magazine cover designing competition for the school magazine Karuna evoked a spirited response in the students as creative ingenuity and unalloyed love adorned the lovely designs dedicated to Dadaji. Students of the primary school designed beautiful birthday cards that were decorated with the colors of gratitude and love. Each of these cards treasured the little one's innocent love for their beloved Dadaji. It was indeed a treat to watch the young ones drenching everyone in the myriad shades of love. In the special assembly conducted on 12th July, the students and teachers allowed themselves to be guided by Dadaji's gentle words as his talk, "Now is the time, here is the place," was shared to help us discover the goodness that lies dormant within each one of us, buried under the trials and tribulations of modern life. On 12th July 2021, on the sacred occasion of Dadaji's Mahayagna, SVM Pune live-streamed a divine program based on Dadaji's practical wisdom. The students, teachers, parents and staff members of SVISG were too eager to participate in the event, good for today, good for tomorrow, as they recollected the kindest moments spent with Dadaji. Seva was also performed while ensuring COVID-appropriate behavior. Students were asked to share their thoughts on forgiveness unleashes inner joy and peace. The writings recounted how forgiveness can bring peace to the person forgiving and thus help them grow in their life. Forgiving someone, many postulated, can be difficult, but it does help someone be free and happy. Students also expressed how the emotions of hurt, anger and blame reside within one's mind and distort their inner well-being, which can only be restored by forgetting and forgiving. The head of music department conducted a session of music therapy to help the students of Sankalp drift in the tranquil notes of harmony as a part of skill sharing workshop. The session, which was guided by a lot of qualitative and quantitative research, was treasured by the participants who wanted to experience all the facets of music: mental, emotional, physical and spiritual. The school counselor helped the girls of Sankalp discover the light of forgiveness that helps heal wounded hearts. The participants eagerly absorbed the secrets to a happier life. They were told they can maintain a log of their responses as it will help them to develop an insight into their behavior, and were given reassurance that they can approach the school counselor whenever they feel the need. The ever-cheerful learners of our primary school invested their love and efforts to make forgiveness bands as a mark of respect for their dearest Dada, and made solemn promise to expunge all memories of resentment from the consciousness and wrap one and all in a warm embrace. In the mission to knit the world together in a single unit of love, our children know that they must reach the crevices of the soul in search of God. We help them commence on their journey to self-discovery by organizing online inter-school yoga competition. Our school manager, Ms. Malini Matrani, congratulated the teachers and students for their efforts towards keeping alive the ancient Indian science of healing. To proliferate the message of universal love towards the animal world, and as an attempt to allow the learners to explore the wonderful world of vegetarian food, vegetarian sandwich making activity, Forgiveness is the Food for the Soul, was organized. Children portrayed their creativity through the language of food and promoted the message of universal love. The thoughts penned by the students exquisitely depicted the message of bringing calm in the hearts of people through the power of forgiveness and love. Taking a step closer to experiencing joy, peace and inner healing, an inter-house poster-making competition was organized for the students of classes 9 to 12th, who imprinted the heart with colors of love and kindness while they painted posters expressing the healing of a hurt heart and attesting their commitment to global harmony and peace. Students of classes 1 and 2 designed beautiful collages that were adorned with the colors of love and gratitude. The euphonious voice of students, reciting thoughts in Hindi and English, engraved our consciousness with the deeper meaning of forgiveness. Only the one who has given up his pride and surrendered to God can truly forgive. Forgiveness is the virtue of the innocent heart which melts the ego and solidifies love. It thus is the best gift to give and receive. Embracing this virtue, students of classes 6 to 8 presented a musical composition in French on forgiveness. Sadhu T.L. Vaswani once said, and I quote, "For me, not to love birds and animals would be not to love God, for His children are birds and animals no less than human beings." Unquote. Thus, bird feeding formed one of the important activities in the birthday celebrations of our beloved Dadaji, accompanied by an aim to inculcate in children empathy towards all forms of life. The purpose of education is not learning facts, but to understand the purpose of existence and become one with the soul of humanity. This ethos of education requires the students to nourish not only their minds with knowledge, but their spirits with kindness. The students of Gardening Club participated in tree plantation in their neighborhood as a commitment to plant hopes for a better future and foster a desire to share their assets for the greater good. Dada Sham.
Thank you, Rishika. This year, let us gift ourselves the magic of forgiveness. Let us release all the imprisoned feelings of hatred as we witness a dance performance put together by our students.
मैं मायूस नदी सी बहते जाऊं, किसी घाट तो मिल मेरे दादा। मैं मायूस नदी सी बहते जाऊं, किसी घाट तो मिल मेरे दादा। सुन अरदास मेरे दादा, किसी राह तो मिल दादा। सुन अरदास मेरे दादा, किसी राह तो मिल दादा।
ये दिल हर राह पुकारे, हर राह ये खोजे, गाए राग जो आंसू काश तुझ तक पहुँचे।
सुबह हो या सांझ तलक, नैना बरसे बन के फलक, पल पल बीतता जाए सा। मैं भेजूं तुझे संदेश रात तारों का, वो देश हर पंछी लौटे बसेरा। दिल की पीड़ हुई बेहाल तेरा, कहाँ है दादा डेरा। सुन अरदास मेरे दादा, किसी राह तो मिल दादा। सुन अरदास मेरे दादा, किसी राह तो मिल दादा।
You will forever be with us in our hearts, Dada.
Forgiveness is not justice. Justice seeks to punish. Forgiveness seeks reconciliation. We commit ourselves to abide by these words which were once said by Dadaji and immortalized in our heart. The students of our school have put in their most sincere efforts to make an animated movie.
It was on 1st July 2021, a day celebrated as National Doctors' Day. I was going with my family in our car to a local temple nearby. We were taking coconut, fruits and flowers to offer God. It was a cloudy morning with a pleasant climate to go on a ride. I was playing with my younger brother, who was just 2 years old, in the back seat. All of a sudden, when our car was about to enter the main road, there was commotion from outside. He saw through the glass window that an auto rickshaw has just hit upon a trendy new car, and the driver and owner of the car were shouting in high pitch at the auto driver. There were onlookers at the roadside chai shop. They were just enjoying the shop and were engaged in a debate on who was on the wrong side. A neatly dressed man who tried to pacify was also overlooked. There was a lengthy queue of vehicles stranded on the road due to the unexpected roadblock and furious road rage. It all happened in some minutes. The car owner was about to beat the auto rickshaw driver. There came an old man pacifying the owner of the trendy new car to give up and move ahead. He too had to bear the anger of the car owner. Old man was injured and fell down, but he was not giving up to pacify both the parties. "Hey Ram, just calm down," were the words uttered by him. By now, many people gathered over there and all were shouting at the car owner for making the old man injured. The focus moved from the dented car to the injured old man. But the old man was not angry. He still tried to get the situation into control. He pacified, forgave the person who had hit him, and left the place with a smile but hidden pain inside his body. As Dada J.P. Vaswani says, forgiveness is a great virtue. Only the strong can forgive and the weak cannot. Life is surrounded by strong men like the old man who came out of nowhere and disappeared somewhere, but the lesson taught by him, the forgiveness, remains with us in our memories.
Music speaks the language of kindness. Keeping up with the same spirit, our young singers are here to offer a musical tribute to dearest Dada.
दादा प्यार सा भरियल, दादा सिक सा भरियल, दादा कुर्ब सा भरियल, दादा रूह रूहानी, दादा रूह रूहानी, अहड़ा रूहानी रहबर, दादा जशन वासवानी, रूह जी रूहानियत में रहंदा हुआ, हूँ फरिश्ते जे रूप में सभनी सा रूह रिहान कंदा हुआ, हूँ पाण सा भी रूह रिहान कंदा हुआ, हुनन जो पंहिंजे गुरु साधु T.L. वासवानी सा हिक रूहानी लगापो हो ऐं ईश्वर सा हिक रूहानी नातो हो, हिक रूहानी नातो हो। दादा जा गुरु साधु T.L. वासवानी हुनन खे हिक रूहानी जोत ॾिनई। दादा हुन जी रोशनीअ में हर शइ खे ईश्वर जी नेमत समझी निम्रता सां स्वीकार कयई। हर हिक सांस लाइ ईश्वर जो शुक्राना कंदो हो, ईश्वर जो शुक्राना कंदो हो। Dada T.L. Vaswani was the guiding light who showed the path of spiritual awakening to Dada J.P. Vaswani. His relation with God was unique and that of oneness. He believed that one should always show gratitude to their Guru. He believed that one only needed to surrender themselves to God and then God would help them. Dada J.P. Vaswani always used to say Shukrana, Shukrana to God.
Shukrana Shah hai Pinda, Shukr Ahe, Shukr Kejo. Shukrana Shah hai Pinda, Shukr Ahe, Shukr Kejo. Jo Pukarya, Pritam Aja, Shukr Ahe, Shukr Kejo.
शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्राना 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 शाह तुहिंजा शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्राना शाह तुहिंजा शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो शुक्र आहे शुक्र तुहिंजो।
ही दाता दुनिया जा अथई सभु पानी वठ ऊट उन्हनि जी जय रहबर रूहानी। नाजुक नातो नीह जो उन्हन से तू जोड़ वेही कमल चरणन अहवाल उन्हन से तू। दादाजी खे नंढपण खां ई अध्यात्म जो रुझान हो। उमिरि सां गॾु इहो वधंदो वियो। हुननि जो मन ईश्वर भक्तीअ में रमण लॻो। दादाजी मां पंहिंजे पुट जी इहा ॻाल्हि कोन सम्झी सघी। पुट जवान थियो। हर मां वांगुरु दादाजी मां बि दिली तमन्ना कई त मुंहिंजो पुट शादी करे हुनजो बि घर बसे। Since childhood, Dadaji was deeply inclined towards spiritualism. As he grew older, his love for God grew stronger. Dadaji's mother, being a pure motherly mortal, was unable to understand his son's quest for the divine. When hinted for marriage, Dadaji replied in this manner. Dadaji निमाणीअ सां पंहिंजी माता साहिब खे चयो, दिल ॾिनो आहे रब खे, इहा जान बि आहे रब जी। दिल ॾिनो आहे रब खे, इहा जान बि आहे रब जी। मूं ते हुकूमत आहे त हुनजी मोहब्बत जी, हुनजी मोहब्बत जी, हुनजी मोहब्बत जी।
दादा प्यार सा भरियल, दादा सिक सा भरियल, दादा कुर्ब सा भरियल, दादा रूह रूहानी, दादा अंजलि ने हारे। तुझो शुक्र कया मुझा दादल, तुझो शुक्र कया।
May I now request the most dynamic school manager, Mrs. Malini Mathrani, who has always lifted our spirits by offering us the hope of a new world, new dream and a new beginning, to edify the young minds with the ruminative words.
Dear children, Dada Sham, it's always a joy to greet you and to meet you. I only wish we could see you in person, but do not worry. Very soon the schools will open and we shall see all of you in the school. Today is a special day because today is Dada's 103rd birthday, which we are celebrating as a moment of calm, a global forgiveness day. In Dada's words, peace and harmony belongs to those who are quick to forgive and seek forgiveness. The year 2020 has been full of turmoil and struggle. COVID-19 adversely affected the entire world. The education sector was not spared too. But I must congratulate your principal, your teachers who quickly adopted the virtual mode of teaching. And in spite of all the struggles, you children celebrated Dada's birthday for the whole month with beautiful songs and so many other nice items you presented. Congratulations to your children, and also thanks to your parents for always lending a helping hand. Dear children, each day comes to us as a new opportunity. Don't ever judge others. Give them love. Don't complain, but thank everyone and forgive even before forgiveness is asked. Spread happiness around you. A simple smile will quickly spread happiness. Remember, life is an adventure in friendship. Every person you meet, make him a friend. There are no strangers. There are friendships in the making. Build bridges of friendship. Love everyone as you would love yourself. Always cultivate good habits and watch your thoughts. It's very important. Children, you're lucky to be a part of this school, which is a service school and teaches you all the good things of life. Past 1 year and more has been full of challenges. And even though the world will never be the same, but you can make a difference. Look forward to the future with hope. I would like to end with a prayer, Dada's prayer, one of Dada's. May I friend the lonely, soothe the distress, give hope to despairing. May I give my love, my peace, my joy, give and ever give, without a thought of it. Thank you, children. Wish you all the very best always. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am, for infusing in us a spirit to excel, dream beyond the ordinary, and explore the road not often taken. Your words will continue to mobilize us to achieve greatness. Our school magazine has been consistent in providing a platform for the young writers of the school to express themselves without inhibitions, in the auspicious presence of the school management committee, without whose continuous support and phenomenal encouragement the magazine wouldn't have seen the light of day. May I now present to you all the school magazine, Karuna. In 1986, it was proposed that November 25th, Sadhu Vaswani's birthday, be celebrated as an International Meatless Day. It's my privilege to announce the release of Meatless Day Pledge Form 2021 in the auspicious presence of the School Management Committee. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievements. Real achievement comes from racing ahead when no one even sees a path, and holding back when the rush isn't going where you want to go. May I now invite the school cultural captain,
Dada Sham, exemplary achievements for session 2020 to 2021. Kashish Gaur of 11th D has been awarded with the Dipali Dudani Memorial Award for being the most compassionate student. Kritika Chabra of 8th A has been awarded with Dr. G.F. Lakhani Memorial Special Award. Prisha Vahi of 4th B has been awarded with Dr. G.F. Lakhani Memorial Special Award. Prisha Gupta of 1st B has been awarded with K.P. Mathrani Special Award. From senior school, Bhavdeep Kaur of 11th C has been awarded with Kanya Datwani Memorial Award for being the most deserving student. From middle school, Ridhima Kapoor of 8th A has been awarded with Kanya Datwani Memorial Award for being the most deserving student. Shreya Shukal of 11th A has been awarded with Rohit Lakhani Memorial Award for being the outstanding student. Shaurya Agarwal of 10th D has been awarded with Srimati Leela Khemani Memorial Award for creative writing in Hindi. Sakshi Rawat of 11th C has been awarded with MP Mathrani Memorial Award for creative writing in English. Chavi Gogna of 11th C has been awarded with Srimati Sita Nagdev Award for being the best debater. From senior school, Vidhi Tanwar of 11th A has been awarded with Govind Lal Public Charitable Trust Award for being the best in stage acting. From middle school, Mayukha Hari of 8th C has been awarded with Govind Lal Public Charitable Trust Award for being the best in stage acting. Naina Rao of 11th B has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being the best at elocution. From senior school, Bhavya Gera of 11th D has been awarded with Ankita Ahuja Award for being the most helpful student. From middle school, Samriti Tekwani of 8th A has been awarded with Ankita Ahuja Award for being the most helpful student. From junior school, Vanya Kaur of 5th B has been awarded with Ankita Ahuja Award for being the most helpful student. From senior school, Lavanya Harkel has been awarded with Priyanka Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Dancer. From middle school, Jia of 8th C has been awarded with Priyanka Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Dancer. From junior school, Yahavi Prabhakar of 3rd C has been awarded with Priyanka Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Dancer. From senior school, Hamsthwani Puri of 11th B has been awarded with Govind Lal Public Charitable Trust Award for being adjudged Best Instrumentalist. From middle school, Kirthana Pradeep of 8th C has been awarded with Masand Family Award for being adjudged Best Instrumentalist. From junior school, R. Abhirami of 4th A has been awarded with Govind Lal Public Charitable Trust Award for being adjudged Best Instrumentalist. From senior school, Aisha Bhasin of 11th D has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Artist. From middle school, Sonu Mishra of 8th B has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Artist. From junior school, Divnoor Kaur of 5th C has been awarded with Gehimal Trust Award for being adjudged Best Artist. From senior school, Tanishta Tokus of 11th B has been awarded with Anand Ahuja Award for exemplary performance in sports. From middle school, Aditi Negi of 8th C has been awarded with Anand Ahuja Award for exemplary performance in sports. From junior school, Tanvi Goyal of 5th C has been awarded with Anand Ahuja Award for exemplary performance in sports. From senior school, Khushi Chopra of 11th B has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Singer. From middle school, Dalina Lukhra of 7th D has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being adjudged Best Singer. From junior school, Tanishka Grover of 5th A has been awarded with Saraswati Masrani Award for being adjudged Best Singer. From senior school, Meghna Valasi of 11th A has been awarded with Sarla Ahuja Award for being the most promising student of the year. From middle school, Khushbu Kumar of 8th A has been awarded with Sarla Ahuja Award for being the most promising student of the year. From junior school, Harshita Joshi of 5th B has been awarded with Priyanka Ahuja Award for being the most promising student of the year. From class 1st to 2nd, Priyanshi of 2nd B has been awarded with Priyanka Ahuja Award for being the most promising student of the year. From middle school, Ananya Bhandari of 7th A has been awarded with Anand Ahuja Award for being the most promising student of the year. From junior school, Saranyu Saxena of 4th A has been awarded with Anand Ahuja Award for being the most promising student of the year. From senior school, Sejal of 11th D has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being the most smartly dressed. From middle school, Kanika of 7th A has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being the most smartly dressed. From junior school, Shivangi Chadda of 4th C has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being the most smartly dressed. From pre-primary Tarang, Parishi Agarwal has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for being the most smartly dressed for the year 2020 to 2021. From senior school, Shubhi Pandey of 11th C has been awarded with Amit Ahuja Award for good conduct. From middle school, Gurlev Kaur of 7th C has been awarded with Masand Family Award for good conduct. From junior school, Nuveka of 3rd A has been awarded with Masand Family Award for good conduct. From senior school, Rishika Manav of 11th D has been awarded with Masand Family Award for being an all-rounder. From class 1st, Niharika Natraj of 1st A has been awarded with Shri Dinesh Hiranandani Memorial Award for being an all-rounder. From class 2nd, Payal Sarangi of 2nd C has been awarded with Shri Dinesh Hiranandani Memorial Award for being an all-rounder. Sachi of 3rd B has been awarded with Shri Dinesh Hiranandani Memorial Award for being an all-rounder. Ashlyn Verma of 4th B has been awarded with Shri Dinesh Hiranandani Memorial Award for being an all-rounder. Isha Goyal of 5th C has been awarded with Shri Dinesh Hiranandani Memorial Award for being an all-rounder. Drishna Kunwar of 2nd B has been awarded with a special award for collecting maximum pledge forms for the Meatless Day. Sindhu House has been awarded with Shri Ravindra Bhalla Memorial Award for being the best house in cultural activities. Yamuna House has been awarded for being the best house in sports activities. Ganga House has been awarded for being the best house in junior school.
Thank you, Gayatri. Let us take a moment to appreciate the winners who inspire us all as they stand tall.
Sharing experience, knowledge, and skills is a pragmatic act that empowers people with a sense of purposeful belonging. True to the spirit of sharing, the school organized workshops on health and hygiene, music therapy, and counseling for the students of Sankalp. In the power of giving, we felt empowered as on this sacred occasion we performed Seva. The school was enveloped in the beauty of service as edified by our beloved Dadaji. while ensuring COVID-appropriate behavior. Stationery and refreshments were distributed to the students of Sankalp.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते।
क्षमा, जितना सुंदर शब्द है ये, उतना ही सुंदर इसका होना। क्षमा बनाती है निर्मल मन मंदिर का हर एक कोना।
It takes a strong person to say sorry, and I'm even a stronger person to forgive.
शुक्राना है खुदा पल पल तेरा शुक्राना पल पल तेरा शुक्राना है खुदा पल पल तेरा शुक्राना पल पल तेरा शुक्राना। ये जीवन है तेरा नजराना साख हो या निंदा गाए ये तराना शुक्राना है खुदा पल पल तेरा शुक्राना पल पल तेरा शुक्राना।
We are finally about to partake in the most awaited ceremony of beloved Dadaji's birthday. Yes, the cake cutting ceremony. Let the spirits soar high as we wish Dadaji a very happy birthday.
जिस दिन का हमको रहता इंतजार है ये तेरा जन्मदिन खुशियों का त्योहार है। जिस दिन का हमको रहता इंतजार है ये तेरा जन्मदिन खुशियों का त्योहार है। ये दिन मुबारक तुमको सौ सौ बार है हर बार है बार बार है। जिस दिन का हमको रहता इंतजार
The moment of calm marks the birth time of our spiritual luminary, revered Dada J.P. Vaswani, who asserts that the best giving is forgiving. It calls upon one and all, young or old, to pause for 2 minutes on 2nd August at 2 p.m. and augment the consciousness with tranquility. I request everyone to join us for the moment of calm prayer and unite in the bond of unbreakable love.
So bless me, Lord, that I may learn to return good for evil, a blessing for a blow. May my heart be so filled with love that there is no empty nook or corner in it for resentment against anyone. Thou art seated in the hearts of all. Therefore let me meet everyone with respect and treat everyone with love. Let me not remember any wrong that has been done to me, any hurt that has been inflicted on me. I forgive all, I love all, I forgive all, I love all, I forgive all, I love all. Sadhu Vaswani said, I have but one tongue. If I had 1,000,000 tongues, with every one of those 1,000,000 tongues, I would still utter the one word, give, 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 give. Let us forgive and forget. 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 Do it now, don't be late. 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 And you will all be blessed.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest ideal is not to utter words, but to live by them. May I now invite the MOC convener, Ms. Vandita Kharbanda, to deliver the vote of thanks.
God has given us the power of healing. All we need to do is to trust this power to work its magic on us. And there is no better way than to practice forgiveness. Warm greetings to one and all present here. It is a great honor and a privilege to present the vote of thanks. The month-long celebration of a revered Dada's birthday was an attempt to redefine the true spirit of education and help our children blossom into responsible citizens of tomorrow. I'm greatly humbled as I offer my gratitude at the lotus feet of our beloved Dada, who gives us the energy, motivation, and inspiration to serve humankind in his name. I would like to thank the esteemed members of our management committee, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and Headmistress Ma'am for enlightening the thought process and providing seamless guidance and support in converting our skills into strengths. I wholeheartedly also thank all my colleagues who, with their unflinching dedication and truly altruistic efforts, have helped me present this meticulous program to you. Nevertheless, I extend my sincere gratitude to all the parents and children whose hard work and creative efforts have added that much-needed spectrum of colors to this program. Every moment comes to an end, and this special occasion is no exception. But I'm sure today you will take home sweet memories relived under the light of our Master. Thank you all for joining into this event. Dada Sham.
Life is futile if not lived in the service of others. We can only live for others if compassion cascades like gentle streams from our hearts. Only if we forget and forgive our wrongdoers. If we build our characters with thoughts of purity and prayer, because all that the world needs is love. Dada Sham.